The goal of the Project Graduation Program is to show students in Marshall County the benefits of graduating high school and what opportunities are afforded to them if they do get that diploma. The program has 3 T's. We call it touring, talking, and training. For the touring component, we've taken students to our different facilities in Marshall County, and we've talked about things like pay and holidays and vacation and benefits, things that they're only going to be eligible for if they get that diploma.
One of the biggest questions that we always get when we're dealing with high school students is, how's this going to benefit me later on? Am I ever going to use this in the real world? And so this is an awesome project to allow them to get off campus and see, oh, I see now. I see how that I can be this. They can kind of envision their future because they're touring these places and they're seeing that they can be successful and that they're using the skills that they learn in high school to marry that to the real world.
The second component is the training. We've used the Stephen Covey 7 Habits for Highly Effective Teens and talked with those students once a month about different soft skills that they can take into their next job interview or as they go through school, and we think that's been really valuable for them.
We are very busy in education, trying to provide a technical and academic foundation for our students and specifically have them obtain credentials and be college and career ready, and so Progress Rail Partnership allows us to make that connection with the real world so that they can see what they're doing in high school and how they can be successful in a career.
The last component is the talking component. We've had about 20 Progress Rail employees step up and volunteer to serve as a mentor, where they've gone and met with the student once a month and talked to that student about life. And here's the things that you can do if you do graduate. So it's been really good for those students to have those professional advocates that they can talk to and ask questions to and be real candid and honest with them.
I think that programs like this are very beneficial, and it's something that you can replicate this to other schools because all kids need mentors. They need relevant experience where they can understand how high school is going to benefit them in the real world. It's about giving back, and our kids are going to benefit, the business benefits, and ultimately the community benefits.
When students come and they see people in action, they see somebody doing that on the job experience, they're able to relate what they're doing in high school to that career. And we need all of our industries to be involved because they don't know that world is out there. I mean, they see us, they see school, maybe a few of them work, but not all of them do. So the more industries who can provide for our students and give those students opportunities, the better off our future will be.
That relevance and those connections are made, and then our students can take what they learn in school through the mentorship program, through the campus tours, and through getting off of our campus into the business world and see, I can do this later on. I can see myself being successful out in the real world, making a little bit of money, and being a productive community member, and that's ultimately what it's all about.